Okay, so I have to be out the door in 3 minutes so I can get to work on time. But I wanted to film a very quick video for you guys. This is my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I told you in, I think my Want Sauce and I Think Nots, that I would be purchasing the Halo Beauty Hair, Skin, and Nails Vitamin, and I actually did, but I am actually going to be returning those when I receive them. I just felt like I spent way too much money on something that I have no idea how it's going to work, and I bought 3 of them, and that was almost $130. And I just can't justify it, you guys. So I figured I'd rather give you guys even more. I was going to do a vitamin to one person and then a vitamin and a $50 gift card to somebody else. What I'm actually going to do, I'm going to go ahead and give one person a $50 gift card to wherever they would like, and the other person, the kind of grand prize winner, a $100 gift card to wherever you would like as well. And then if you win, if you'd like, you can always ask for the vitamins and I'll just ship them to you. I don't mind doing that, but you know, $50 gift card over $40 vitamins. Figured you'd like that a little bit more, I don't know. But anyways, the way I would like you guys to enter, this is going to be a little bit different from last time. You have to be subscribed. You do have to have your subscriptions public. So that is one of the things about the last giveaway. If you did enter as a subscriber but your subscriptions aren't public, I can't tell if you're subscribed to me or not. The best way, if you don't want to have your subscriptions public, is at least screenshot it. Screenshot my channel with the subscription, and if you can get in the date somewhere, that at least shows me proof that you subscribed. But the easiest way is just have them public so I know. And then the other thing you need to do to win is comment down below a question for me. I will be doing a question and answer video, or Q&A, where I will be announcing the 2 winners. So what I'd like you to do, if you can, comment a question about my life, about makeup, about anything. I will answer as much as I can. Those are the 2 things that you need to do to enter: subscribe and comment question. If you'd like to, like the video, but you don't have to. There's no way I can tell if you do or not, so... But anyways, guys, that's a pretty quick video. If you like me or like this video, please subscribe, especially if you want to win something. And I'll see you next time. Bye.